Navigating the IT world is challenging. With 66% of companies outsourcing IT tasks, the demand for managed services is soaring. Choosing the right managed services provider, or MSP, is crucial. As Eric Woodard, CEO of Protek, states, "A proactive approach with a trusted MSP is key for resilience and innovation." This choice impacts your operations and growth significantly. First, understand your business's unique needs. Identify your goals like scaling up, boosting efficiency, or enhancing security. Remember, there's no universal solution for managed IT services. Begin by researching local MSPs. Pay close attention to reviews and feedback. Consider data security and privacy as critical factors. Take 2 to 4 weeks for due diligence before deciding. When selecting an MSP, check their technical expertise. Review their service level agreements, especially for response times and disaster recovery. Evaluate their cybersecurity services and business continuity plans. Lastly, assess their flexibility and scalability. When interviewing MSPs, ask specific questions about their alignment with your needs and experience in your industry. Understand their SLAs and emergency response protocols. Discuss their security and compliance measures. Your choice should focus on how well the MSP meets your needs. Trust and comfort with your MSP are crucial. Choosing the right MSP is a significant step for your business's success. Protek stands out with tailored solutions and expert guidance. Visit our website to read the full article and add this to your Spotify playlist for easy access.